What is up guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to unbox the Boya's BY-M1 lavalier microphone, which is a budget end microphone for your videos, YouTube videos or any type of videos which you want to make in your home. And this is the cheapest available on the market and it is best in its game. So if you guys might be hearing my voice a bit bad, mushier, or it might not be coming to you clearly, it's the reason that I'm using the built-in microphone from the phone which I used to record. And I will also provide you the demo in this video for this Boya BY-M1, that how does it sound, and I will let you know when I am going to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys and let's unbox Boya's BY-M1 lavalier microphone. So if you see the box, on the back of the box the features are written of this microphone, in which it says that it is a clip-on mic, omnidirectional condenser microphone, high quality condenser, low handling noise, include lapel clip. Okay, so furthermore the specifications are written down in the gray box, in which it tells you all the polar pattern, frequency, signal noise, sensitivity, connector, battery type and weight. You guys could pause this video and read it out if you want. So furthermore there's nothing written, and coming to the front, the box is represented by a lady which is shown to give a demonstration that she is giving a briefing in a meeting, which tells that this microphone is perfect to give the meetings and in the presentations if you are performing. So without any further ado, let's open the box and check it out. So disclaimer, let me tell you guys that I have already opened this box for the custom duty check, and it was essential because I had to check if the product was original or not, and if it was present in the box or not. So let's just open the box now. So removing the top box, you will see a case, and actually you will see this fabric type or the ropes which come with the case, and furthermore a plastic bag. So here is the bag. Okay, so one thing I would like to tell you guys, that the bag is of very nice quality. It feels like leather. Of course it's not original leather, but it's the leather which we use to color things in our daily use and in our daily things. So in this package it's written Boya and it is of black color. On the back you won't find anything, so let's just put it aside and see what's more inside this box. So looking more inside the box, we have some of the paperwork. So otherwise the box is empty. Now let's throw it on a side. So here comes the paperwork. If you guys are new to the microphones, you kindly should read this so that you guys know how to use this microphone. So there are approximately 10 pages in this booklet, or anything manual you can say, you can read it out. So I would like to put this on a side, and furthermore you get this card which is actually empty or white from the back, but on the front it's written that how to use this. And I'll make a video on the Boya's BY-M1 microphone, how to use it with your smartphones, which will help you guys out. Okay, so now let's get to this plastic bag. In this plastic bag you will find three things, but you could only see one because the other two things are in this pouch. I have put it in this pouch. Okay, so first thing you get is a DSLR connector. If you guys are going to record on DSLR, you could put your 3.5mm headphone jack in here and then connect this jack into the DSLR. So let me show you other two things that you are going to get along with this plastic bag. Okay, so this was it from this pouch. It is very nice pouch and I just very much like the quality of this pouch, so let me put it aside too. So now let's look at the microphone. So other two things that you will get along this, in this plastic bag, are going to be this, the foam on the top. Let me show you. So it removes the noise cancellation from the background a lot. So let's just again put it on the top of it. The third thing you would find is going to be this clip, which you would be able to attach this with your collar, with anything you're going to attach it. So it's also pretty nice quality. Furthermore, you are also going to find a AAA battery. So the batteries you are going to find inside this bag is going to be just a single cell, and you have to apply them over here. So once you apply them over here, you're ready to use your Boya's BY-M1 microphone. Furthermore, if you look at the wire, it has a very long wire. For some people it is on advantage, and for some people it is on disadvantage. So this wire is not wrapped up with a traditional wire system, but the Boya has given a very nice chip system with it, and with the branding of Boya on it. If you guys could see, I'll show you. So yes, now you could see that it is given Boya, and furthermore you get the 3.55mm headphone jack. So first I was talking about this thing, now I will show you. So if you want to attach to DSLR, you want to put this thing in this and attach it like this. Now you could attach this to a DSLR and record your videos. So this was it probably from this video, guys, and I would also give you the demonstration at last when I'll say thank you for watching my video. And this was it for the box opening, and probably this was my first mic, and I hope it is not going to be the last, because I have heard furthermore reviews of Boya which suggest that it is pretty good microphone, and I have not tried it, but now I'm going to try, and I'll see and I'll show you how it performs. What is up, guys? Now whatever voice you are going to hear and whatever you are listening is actually coming from the Boya's BY-M1 microphone, and tell me in the comments how is this microphone sounding and is it worth it money. This microphone costed me around $20, and its price continues to fluctuate. Sometime it is $25, sometime it is at $19, but the price at I have bought it is actually $20. So this was it from today's video, guys. If you people enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.